Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to call PayPal customer service. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will be needing to go to the help menu here in PayPal. And after that, you will be able to start contacting the support of PayPal. So simply, you will need just to go to help, and from the help, we will find these all in this information or all these options. So from here, there is the home, payments, transfers, etc. And basically, those are just categories of the articles or categories of the help that you can get in the help center or in the help page. So now, if we want to start contacting the support, you will need to go to over these options, and then you will need to go to the help center. So basically here in the more ways we can help section, you will find the resolution center, tax center, technical help, etc. And from here, there is the message center. So basically from the message center, you will be able to contact support agents of PayPal. So we can simply click on message center, and then we will find this customer support. So the first thing you will find is this PayPal assistant. So this is just an AI or a bot assistant that is just showing you or will start uh, contacting or talking to you and give you some suggestions. What we want is just ask a payment assistant, and then we open another chat and just type support, and from here we will need just to find I can transfer to an agent, reply to make to may take a few hours, and basically you will just click yes or no. If you click on yes, you will be transferred to a support agent, and then you can contact the support. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.